Yeah, here I'll be showing you, these are the holes. I'll be showing you all I did here. So I'll be showing everything, how to fix your crochet shoes on the shoe sole. Just watch step by step what I did here. Just watch out. So I have now 3 size 9 twine thread. I may not talk much on this video, but as you're watching, you will understand all I'll be doing here. Just watch carefully. So I'll be working 3 single crochet on this first hole. Then on the next hole, I will make 3 single crochet too. Then on the next hole, I will then start working 4 single crochet on each stitch, on each hole. 4 single crochet on each hole. So keep working till you go around like this one now. You can see it. So after that, I will then fix my crochet shoe. So let's fix the red. So I know now you must have understand what I said on how to crochet on shoe sole first before fixing your shoe. So you can see it. I'll be using slip stitch all through. Slip stitch all through. So you grab the stitch of the shoe and that of the sole. Then you slip stitch. So enjoy the rest of the video. You will see the outcome. Yeah, you can see it. If you have watched to this point, that means you love this video. Please do wait to subscribe so that you will be receiving all my videos. Subscription is free. Subscribe, like and share for more tutorials on how to crochet all kinds of crochet items. See you on next video. Bye.